Hello and welcome again to step 2 of the Penny Auction Wizards administration panel setup guide. This video we're going to explore the first section, which is the database section of the website. If you are in another section of the admin panel, simply click the back button anytime and that'll take you to the main page unless you are not authenticated like I just got booted out. So this would take you back to the main page. Now, some of the icons up here will take you to the shortcuts that we're going to be exploring. In this case, we're going to be doing the database section today, which is right here. So, once you've actually set up your penny auction in the setting below, which is down here, site settings, the very first place you're going to go to is the add category section. Now, the add category section allows you to create new categories, product categories, and you would, choose something like, for instance, electronics, and then you would click enable, and then you would choose a description for this. So it could be just, electronics, for instance. And once you've done that, you click add. Now, to manage existing categories in your product database, you can go here and edit your descriptions anytime. If you have a product type that is out of stock, so let's say, for instance, Apple products, you're no longer receiving products for shipping, you can go in anytime and disable this product category. That'll disable the listing for anybody. The next step is to begin adding products to your penny auction. So click on the Add Product tab. The first thing you want to do is enter a product code. This can be a product code from Amazon.com. So today I'm going to create a sample product off Amazon.com, and so that'll basically outline a quick tutorial on how to add products. So in this case, I'm going to go to Amazon.com. You can't see it on my screen, but I'm going to search for, let's see, a 3D TV. So the first one that comes up is a Vizio E3D 32-inch theater 3D TV. Now, I don't have any Amazon stock numbers here, so I'm just going to use a random stock number. So I'm just going to use Vizio as a stock ID. In some suppliers, you will have to enter product codes just for keeping everything straight. So in this case, I'm just going to copy and paste this. And I'm going to enable the product, and this particular product retails for $367.60. The actual cost is the same. Under my short description, I'm going to grab the total title off of the internet description. The meta tags and the keywords, I'm going to do the same. Pretty straightforward. Now, the product description, I'm going to show you an interesting trick with the product description. Now, on Amazon, you can highlight and copy. So you would take your mouse and you would left click and then drag the mouse down until you highlight the entire product description. Then you can click copy, and then in this box, because it is HTML based, you can click Control V. So by doing so, you get this very nice product layout with all the images from Amazon, and it gives you a very, very nice product description. So now we're going to grab an image that we previously saved for this demonstration. And that's it. We've created our first product. Now, if you want to edit in the product that you've created. Click home anytime to go back. Click on Manage Products, and now you have the ability to go into your product database and see the product that you just created. In this case, we just created this one, and you can edit it at any time and make changes if necessary. Next, we're going to look at our bid packs. If you want to edit or add a bid pack, you can do that in these two sections. To create a bid pack, you can enter the bid pack name, the free point title if you want to create a free point, if you want to give away free points, in which case I simply leave it blank. Specify the bid pack size, so we're going to create this, we're going to call it small. Bid pack title, the bid size, let's call it a 10 bid pack. Free bids 10. Bid price, we're going to call it, so if our auction's 50 cents, that means it's going to be a $5 bid pack, and you repeat that again for this, and then you would add an image. Now this option here, if you are using the built-in landing page system, you can specify a bid pack that is only available on the landing page by checking this box, and then you would add a bid pack banner image, and then click add, and you've created a bid pack. Now you can manage bid packs that have been previously created here. I'll just show you a previously created bid pack image. The next section is the add coupon section. Now you would create a coupon by calling it, let's say, 50% off. The coupon code can be numbers, letters, a combination of both, or you can make it a letter, so it could be like 50% off. The discount in percentage could be 50%. You can, if you would like, give away free bids. In this case, we're not going to give away any free bids. You can select a coupon valid date, so that's 7 from today to, say, a week. And if it's going to be a universal coupon, this is going to assign it to everybody in your penny auction. Like, you can click add, and you've successfully added a new coupon. Now, if you would like to assign the coupon, that would make it active to everybody in your group. Clicking back on home, you can manage the coupons. Same thing as before. Or you can list the universal coupons. Now in this case, this is a universal coupon. Now one side note, if you chose not to make that a universal coupon, you can assign it to individual users by going to Manage Users. And then you can choose a user, and you can assign the coupon manually to the user, which it would show up here, and you can choose a coupon to assign and click on Add Assign Coupon there. The next is the Add Shipping Charge. If you would like to add a shipping charge, you can do that here. You can enter a title for it, and then an amount. You can manage your shipping charges here. Typically, the penny auction software comes with 3 default shipping charges. And if you would like to edit those, you can go in there and edit those amounts. The next 2 sections deal with the newsletter. You can create a newsletter. It has HTML support. I'm going to go over this really quickly, so let's call this a sample newsletter. You have a full feature-rich HTML editor here. You can add images. You have your bold, your italics, underline, strike through, subscript options, insert ordered list options. So if you want to do bullets, you can do outdents and indents. This is your alignments. You can also do, you can remove formatting if you have HTML in there that you don't like. You can undo and redo options. This is the insert image. This is if you want to insert any horizontal rules. Insert hyperlinks, remove hyperlinks, copy, cut, and paste. and print. You can choose your fonts, font settings, and of course different styles. You can save it or send it. By saving it, you can send it later, and send obviously is sending it out automatically. If you have existing newsletters, you can go in and resend those newsletters. You have community options, and this is the last two sections we're going to cover in this video. The add community and manage community. This is a section where you can basically create community topics. Users can vote on those sections. Now, certain templates, most templates don't support that function anymore. But if you require that in your customization, or some of the templates that we do have that do support it, these options you can use. Essentially, what it does is you can put forth different products that you're not quite sure about. For instance, there might be a brand new item coming out, like the iPhone 5. You're not quite sure if users are interested in it. Obviously, iPhone 5s people would be interested in, but these are necessarily for products that you're not quite sure about. Maybe a Louis Vuitton purse. You're not quite sure what your female membership looks like. So you could create a community option on here where users can basically go in and vote on the product that you're going to post into the community section. So this concludes the database section of the Penny Auction Wizards backend.